Hello, friends from far away places. This is Sophie broadcasting the news. Just kidding. I have no news. But today, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today. And I'm doing something today that makes it seem like I do stuff, but I haven't done anything in like a week. I was also sick for a week and terribly sick in bed. So I didn't do anything then. But before and after the sickness, I didn't do anything. And so now I'm doing something. So my day is pretty full for once. So I moved down to this first room because I am depressed because I live here, which is really fun. Me and my mom are like sharing some spaces because this was her office and then I came down and I took over. And so she had to move her office. So I had 2 bedrooms upstairs. I'll give you a full tour. But she moved her office stuff up into one of my rooms, and today I'm moving some of my stuff from up there to down here so that I can be down here and not be isolated, because that's the worst thing for a depressed person to do, even though that's all I want is just isolation. I talk too fast and now I'm out of breath. Okay, so this is my temporary room and or permanent room. I don't know. This is the room. So I have, as you can see, I have a bed. And then there's all this stuff that is not mine. And then all these boxes, I'm gonna move upstairs so that I don't have to look at them, and it can be more like a room and less like an office, you know? I want to move my bed away from here because I don't know, I feel like this is Spider City. Mostly because I saw a spider crawling on that curtain. But I want to move my bed over to that corner. This is so heavy, but you can drag it because we didn't there's Fritz. Isn't he just so handsome? You can drag it because it's on this blue thing. So I think I'll drag that, like, ideally I'd want it over there, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So I think we'll drag it like to the middle of this wall, or maybe over here. And if I drag it over here, I can put this and this on either side of the bed, but I also have that. I don't know. We'll just see what happens. Okay, well, here's the mirror you can see me in. Hi. So I figured I'd give you a quick overview of what this room looks like, so we can do, room transformations. Me and my mom doing some room transformations, right? So this is the room that she's taking over because I'm taking over her office. So this was, and still is, my bedroom, but it's up because stairs are right over there. It's up and isolated, and it makes me depressed. So we're moving downstairs, as you know. Okay, and then this is my mom's stuff, her temporary office or permanent office, I don't know. Oh, and then I need to bring one of these rugs down. I don't know which one, but I'm gonna bring one of them. I definitely want to hang that up because the love of my life, Randy Orton, he should be hung up. I haven't hung him up in years. Okay, and then there's this junk. I don't know, I just kind of want the decorations. So we'll see what I move. But yeah, here's an overview of the room so that you can see what it looks like now and what it looks like when we move things. Look at these little lights that I put up. Aren't they so cute? I'm not going to take them down, but honestly, I wish I had them downstairs. Maybe I'll get more. It's super cute. Okay, let's get started. Hello, so I don't know what copyright means, so I'm just gonna entertain you with my words instead of music, and I thought I would quote some vines for you. Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Look at all those chickens. Stop. I could have dropped my croissant. Free Shavakadu. Free Shavakadu. Hurricane Oh, whoops. Hurricane Katrina. More like Hurricane Tortilla. Honestly, I'm having a really hard time thinking of vines right now. What's up? I'm back. I'm sweaty. You just saw me move all those boxes. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see me. Moved all the boxes. Man, am I out of breath. So I'm taking this box that's full of smelly things. I'm emptying it so that I can fill it up with my makeup and then transport that down here. Because the next step is to transport things down here. But yeah, so this is how things are going right now. Sweaty, but productive, you know. Okay, now we have empty basket. Empty basket. And I'm gonna go fill it up with makeup and bring it down here. Okay, so I filled it up. I filled it full with eyeshadow palettes, all of my lip things, and then eyelashes. And now I'm gonna put it in the desk. Ooh, desk. Makeup desk. Desk. Okay, so I moved all my junk. Well, most of it. I have to stop the video in order to flip the camera. So, like, you see all that junk? And that junk right there. I can't get it to zoom in. Whatever. I'm calling Gigi junk, but, you know, we love her. I put all my makeup in this desk, but I think I don't want it there. I think I want to put it back in that thing. Because I like it there better. So I'm probably going to do that, but I'm really tired and it's 12:30 and I'm tired. And also, my next step, which should have definitely been my first step, is to, you know, reorganize the furniture because, you know, I want my bed over here. And so then this desk should go somewhere else. I should have done that first before I got all this junk in here, but I didn't. So that's where we are. So I'm gonna lay down because I'm tired. And then I'll get back to it sometime. All right, bye. Okay, so it's like 3:30. Actually, I just looked at the time, like on my phone, and then I started recording. I absolutely forgot what time it was. I think it's 3:30. I think it's close to that. But some things have happened. So I'll show you what I did. Okay, let me turn the camera around, which means I have to stop the video and turn the camera around and then start the video again. I do this because I love you, all right? I love you and I miss you. So what has happened is, honestly, I don't remember what I showed you last, but I do know that you don't know that I have moved things. So I moved my bed over here, moved the desk over here. And then I think I'm gonna try and get my dad to help me move this and potentially this upstairs and bring down my white dresser. And then this will be taken eventually, I don't know. And so then I need to put the little shelf up and get like my movies and stuff, plug the DVD player in so I can actually use it. But, I mean, I brought the lamp down, I moved this chair, but I made my bed. Doesn't it look so pretty? I put like my foam pad thing down there so it'll be nice and comfortable. Got a side table. I hung up the flag. All hail Colorado. Things have happened, right, Gigi? Right, Gigi? And I'm waiting for my mom to come home so that I can have food because I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. So that's what I'm doing. I'm probably not going to do anything else today because I'm lazy. But I need to bring my clothes downstairs. At least like my t-shirts and stuff. I can keep the stuff in my closet up there in my closet, but I'm just hungry, okay? That's all. I'm just hungry. and I'm having a real hard time here. Hello, friends. If I look sweaty, it's because I am, and I do look sweaty. I see got a nice amount of sweat on me, but I've been doing some work. I'm tired. So it's 12 o'clock next day, and I just moved all of the rest of my furniture downstairs and moved the furniture that I didn't want upstairs. My goodness, why am I so out of breath? So I'm sitting on my bed. You know how it was nice and beautifully made yesterday. And then that's pretty normal. But then here is all the junk. So I brought my dresser down. Those drawers go in that dresser. Then all these cubes go in that white thing. Mia is over there somewhere. There she is. So yeah, she came down and everything really is just a mess. I'm gonna flip this around so now I can't see myself, but I hope you can see me. So everything's a mess, but everything is down here where it should be. Now I need to get to work, moving things around. So I need to start moving things around and putting things away, and that's where we're at right now. Okay, I'll check in with you later. Goodbye. Hi, we're back for some more Vine references. Mom, I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag. What? Lipstick in my Valentino white bag? Mother trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. Iridocyclitos. It's the perfect texture. That's the one where they're running on snow and then she falls down. I love that one. Sabra gives you all your daily vitamins, like 0 grams of trans fat and oh my god, cholesterol. Welcome to Chili's. Okay, looks like we're running out of time. Goodbye, have fun. Okay. Hello, we're back. The room is put together, you know, but I was gonna give you a room tour, you know, like an update of what I did, but I just saw a fly in Mia's cage, and so I opened the lid to get it out because like there's a grate on top of the cage so that, you know, she can breathe. And I opened the lid to get it out and there were like 5 flies in there. So I got them all out. I covered her cage with that blanket so that they can't get back in. And now I need to find them and kill them before they harm my precious little baby. But, you know, of course, they're nowhere to be found now. No, I did. You did. Stay away. Okay, I guess I'll give you a tour while I'm looking for the flies. Cleaned off the desk, put the drawers in the thingy. Here's Mia's cage, which is ironically not in the way, even though it's literally in the middle of the floor. That's the best place for it right now. I lost the fly swatter and then a fly appeared. I'm gonna get it. Ooh. Hello. Dead fly? Is there a dead fly in here? I don't think I got it, but if I did, then it's definitely in there. And then those are decorations that I need to decorate with, but right now they're just all sitting up there because I'm not at the decorating part yet, you know? Things gotta get put in their place, and then we decorate. And it's driving me crazy that I can't find these stupid flies. I don't want them to get Mia. Also, I figured I would break out the board game and we can do one together, you know, because I'm going to film every time I do it. So let me set it up and then I'll do one. Okay, so I set up the game. Isn't this exciting? I haven't played it yet. I got a dice. Maybe I should roll 2 dice. But basically my lovely friends have made me this Jumanji game. It says Jumanji on the other side. I should have shown that. Did you see that fly through? It's right there. I need a fly swatter. Okay, I got the flag sweater. So basically, I have my little car. They said you can start at any of these corners, but honestly, I want to start in the middle. And then you have your dice, and then you roll, and then there's PVTBA, and those link to very family-friendly cards. Definitely rated G for everyone. So we have the different options, and then the cards tell me to do something different. So I'm gonna roll. Honestly, I think I'm gonna roll one dice. And ha! I got it. Now let's roll 2 dice. What's the fun in only rolling 1 dice? Ready, and don't look at my feet. 10. We have 10. Okay, what way do we want to move? I'm kind of feeling like moving this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, we landed on a P. Now I will get the P card and you will not see it because it is so family friendly. I can't show you it. Okay, let me get the card. Okay, I have the card. I'm covering up the very family friendly illustration that is on it. And now let's see what the card wants me to do. Start a paper company. Okay, great. So that's what we're gonna do today. It was a morning like no other. I came to work. Where I worked, I sat down. I said good morning to my fellow workers. And then I wanted to get to work, as I work every day. I pulled out my laptop, I pulled out my pen, and then I figured out you can't write with pen on laptop. I promptly had a mental breakdown. I cried a little bit. But then I got back to work, as only I can. Work, 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 just me working. Working. But I was not satisfied with this method of working. I did not like it. I needed a new idea. An idea I sure had. With my marker in hand, I went to talk to the boss. I rang the boss. I rang the boss so many times. I yelled at him. I told him I needed to work differently. I need something else to work on. He said, that sounds like a good idea. I bet you have more ideas like this. What should we work on instead of laptops? And I told him I needed to work on things that were not paper. I mean, no, not paper. I did not say paper. And he said, what? That sounds really good. I started to do my research. I tried to draw on my laptop. I tried to draw on my pen itself. A hammer? Hammers fix everything. Can hammers fix my drawings? No, they cannot. Gum? Crackers? Nothing worked. But then I stumbled across this block and I did not know what it was. It was paper, and it worked. I drew, and I drew, and I drew, and I drew, and then it was so good that I just couldn't even stand it. I had to leave. But then I found this bigger paper, and this bigger paper was so amazing. I love paper. And then I had a paper party. Paper. Paper is so fun. I like to wear the paper, and I like to live in the paper. And this is me so happy in the paper. And that is how my paper company came to be. .com, of course. We're only online. We don't sell actual paper. Goodbye.